Most breakfasts are silently destroying your metabolism. And here's the crazy part. The people eating them think they're actually being healthy. Imagine that. Oatmeal, granola, protein bars, heart-healthy cereal. Meanwhile, their cells are inflamed, their mitochondria are slowing down, their insulin screaming in their body, storing more fat every single year. But there is one breakfast that I've been using lately that I absolutely love, on top of the 4 eggs that I have every single morning for the protein and everything else. But this breakfast, this goes deeper than just calories. It goes deeper than macros or even micronutrients, deeper than modern nutrition's actually talking about. It repairs the actual cellular makeup and membrane of itself, of the cell wall, of the entire complete cell. And once you understand why that matters, you will never look at food the same way again. So stick with me here. Back in 1931, there was a scientist, and I love this guy. His name was Otto Warburg. Hopefully this video stays up. They might actually delete this, but he won a Nobel Prize after discovering something that should have changed medicine forever. When a cell loses its ability to efficiently use oxygen, that's when dis-ease starts to set in. Years later, researchers asked the obvious next question, like all researchers do. Why do cells stop functioning correctly in the first darn place? And one of the answers they landed on was the membrane, the wall, the intelligent barrier surrounding every single cell in your body that decides what gets in and what stays out. Your hormones communicate through this cellular membrane. Insulin communicates through that membrane. Your mitochondria, your nervous system, even your detoxification pathways all depend on that membrane functioning correctly. And most people have been destroying it for decades, not even knowing it. And I'll tell you exactly how to fix this membrane, my friend, and I'll show you what to eat every single morning that will do this. And you're actually going to love the taste of it like I do. And it's just so easy. Because here's what nobody's talking about. Your body literally builds your cells out of what you eat. You no longer, you are what you eat. You are what you eat eats. You are what you eat absorbs. Stick with me, right? So every cell membrane in your body, your brain cells, your hormone cells, your immune cells, even the cells protecting you from the abnormal growth, are constructed from the fats that you actually consume on a daily basis. So if you've spent years, like most of my Americano brothers and sisters, eating seed oils, copious amounts of ultra-processed food. I mean, what did we grow up on in the 80s and 90s, people? Come on! Hamburger Helper was a staple in this Michigander's house. I was eating mac and cheese. I was eating anything that came on a, what was it, a Hungry Man dinner. It was frozen, a TV dinner. You would take it out. You would microwave that too. Thinking about the microplastics. But we didn't have all these influencers telling you to be scared of certain things online, so we didn't even know. We just consumed and forgot about it. But your membrane didn't forget. Those damaged fats. Almost everybody watching this has membranes that are stiff, inflamed, oxidized, and metabolically dysfunctional. Insulin shows up knocking on the door of that cell, and that cell barely responds. This is insulin resistance. Your body pumps out more insulin to compensate. More insulin means more fat storage, especially around the belly. And most people try to solve this by eating less. I'm just going to turn my metabolic thermostat down. You cannot starve your way out of a broken cellular communication. This is an epidemic, my friend. You have to rebuild the terrain. And that's what this breakfast does. 3 ingredients. That's it. Now, this does more than fix your metabolism. It actually heals damaged, diseased cells. Organic cottage cheese, cold flax oil, and freshly ground flaxseed. I know. Sounds too simple for something connected to a Nobel Prize, but stick with it. Flax oil is loaded with ALA, which are omega-3 fats, which we need, right? Highly unsaturated fats that support membrane flexibility and oxygen utilization inside the cell. Think of healthy fats like oiling the hinges on a rusty door. When the membrane becomes more fluid, communication improves. Inflammatory stress drops. Energy production actually becomes stable and much more efficient. But here's where it gets interesting, and this is the part most people get completely wrong. Most people just swallow flax oil and call it a day, right? I used to be one of those guys, drinking down the flax oil. But researchers discovered that when flax oil is combined with sulfur-rich proteins, its ability to integrate into the body actually changes quite dramatically. This is where you enter cottage cheese. This is the sulfur-containing amino acids in cottage cheese bind the delicate fats in flax oil and make them significantly more bioavailable. And if you've been following me for 20 years, you know bioavailability is the name of the game, which is why we put pepperine with turmeric, and we add vitamin C with our glow to increase the tremella mushrooms, hyaluronic acid potential of the skin. Like, bioavailability is everything. So this synergistic combination became foundational in certain European nutritional protocols designed specifically to support cellular respiration and metabolic healing. It is one of the most underrated therapeutic combinations in nutritional science, and it has been sitting quietly in the grocery store this whole entire time. Most grocery stores do have high-quality omega-3 flax that's organic in a glass bottle, preferably, because if you're eating fats out of a plastic bottle, you're just absorbing more microplastics. So before we go any further, if this is the kind of content that is doing something for you, hit that like button, subscribe, ring that little bell. I put out videos like this every week. My goal is to get to every day here, like a long format video for you guys. I know I've been out of the long format game for a while, but I want to come back. I think this is where we make the most traction. We sit together for a little bit longer every single day, and I can provide you with protocols, tips, things that can truly heal your body and the people that you love. It's not just about you feeling good, it's about everybody in your circle feeling good. So one click fixes that. Ring that bell, my friend. Now back to the bowl. The third ingredient is freshly ground flaxseed, not whole, ground. Because whole flax seeds pass right through the body and do essentially nothing. Freshly ground flax seeds contain lignans, which are powerful phytonutrients that support healthy estrogen metabolism and help interrupt the inflammatory hormonal cycles linked to stubborn belly fat, especially in women over 40. And this is why some of you feel like your body changed overnight. You're eating healthy, you're working out, you're doing everything that you can, you're trying harder than you ever have, yet your belly fat won't move at all. Like you just stalled out. Because hormones are involved, cell signaling is involved, and most approaches completely deny this. They dismiss it, they ignore it. Here's how to make it. 6 tablespoons of organic cottage cheese, 3 tablespoons of cold flax oil. You want to blend it up, not just stir it. You want to whip it so that the fats and the proteins fully emulsify. And when it becomes creamy, almost like a whipped frosting, this is the gold. This is the magic. That's when you know it's right. And then I just add the freshly ground flax seeds right on top. And at this point, you already have a therapeutic metabolic breakfast, my friend, that's going to help you age more gracefully, turn up that metabolic fire, do copious amounts of other things. So some upgrades that I do. 1, psyllium husk is one of my favorite things. I try to get 3 teaspoons of psyllium husk a day. This forms a gel inside your gut. And if you've ever seen those videos floating around the internet, it helps press out everything. And it helps regulate insulin. It is really good for improving satiation as well. Less craving, stable energy, no 10 a.m. crash. The second upgrade, I would say I try to eat at least 1 cup to 2 cups of blueberries every single day. Add some raspberries in. Just 1 cup of blueberries increases stem cell production like 8x. So blueberries, I got about 40 blueberry plants on the farm here, and I'm always out there picking them with my baby girl. We're eating blueberries all day long, every day. One of the best things you can do for your health. They also contain anthocyanins, which are compounds studied for their ability to support mitochondrial health. And if you ever cut a blueberry open, it kind of looks like a cell too. Signature of doctrines. Interesting side note. Loaded with fat, specifically activates the brown fat in the human body as well. And they also absolutely obliterate oxidative stress, which we all have way too much oxidative stress. Third upgrade, I would say if you're eating nuts, if you're not fighting off a virus or anything like that, nut butter is a great option. I take a little organic almond butter, maybe even some peanut butter. I'm a big peanut butter guy. Cashew, healthy fats is going to improve satiation as well. It's going to keep you full for hours without any sugar spike. And it's like a bowl of whipped cottage cheese with the flax oil, the berries, the nut butter. I mean, it is absolutely delicious, my friend. And somehow, some way, they figured it out. 1930, Nobel Prize was won by my boy Otto. And it's amazing. Life is so good when you eat this. Step back and look at what this bowl's actually doing. Membrane support fats, sulfur-rich proteins, hormonal support compounds, blood sugar stabilization, fiber antioxidants, right? Mitochondrial support, inflammation regulation, and satiation. This is not a breakfast, my friend. This is a metabolic masterpiece. It is communication therapy disguised as a bowl of food. One of the biggest lies modern health culture ever sold people is that healing has to be complicated. Sometimes the body's simply waiting for the right information, the right fats, the right signals. Your body wants to heal, but it can only build with the materials that you actually give it. And we've spent decades giving it inflammatory oils, if you're anything like me, synthetic junk and processed chemicals, and the terrain changes, energy drops, hormones shift, you start looking older than you are, fat accumulates, inflammation rises. But when you start rebuilding the train, the body responds fast. You're going to have so much more energy, clearer thinking. You're going to be more present with the people that you love, which is what this is all about anyway. And over time, you start fighting the body because your multidimensional cosmic suit, the human body, finally feels safe enough to let go of the trauma, to let go of the pain, to let go of the fat wrapped in the adipose tissue, to let go of the chemicals, the endocrine disrupting chemicals, the herbicides, the pesticides that your body's protecting you by putting it in your fat cells. So my offer for you is to try this for 2 weeks. If you're over 40, this is going to work like even better, especially if your metabolism feels stuck, feeling a little hopeless, feeling like your energy hits a wall every day at 2, if you feel inflamed, exhausted, or disconnected from your energy. Because sometimes transformation, and I found this out in my life, most of the time transformation doesn't start in the gym. Sometimes it begins in the membrane of the actual cell. And when the cells remember how to breathe, the body remembers how to heal. The full recipe's in the description, my friend. Like, follow, save for more information. And if you want content like this every week, subscribe. You know what to do. I'm Drew Canoli. We're in this together.